Hi guys, today the new topic trigonometry. Trigonometry. Here trigonometry means the name itself gives a meaning. Just split the words trigonometry. Tri refers to three, gono refers to side or sides, metry refers to measurement. Combined and said me this is three side measurement. Three sides measurement is called trigonometry. Okay, there are some words comes under trigonometry. Those are sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. To define sine is opposite by hypotenuse. To define cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. To define tan is opposite by adjacent. Next, for cos theta, hypotenuse by opposite. For sec theta, hypotenuse by adjacent. For cot theta, adjacent by opposite. Just observe the formulas of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. Just observe first one sin theta. The sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. What is cosec theta? Hypotenuse divided by opposite. This is inversely proportional. We can write sin theta inversely proportional to cosec theta. Similarly for cos theta is inversely proportional to 1 by sec theta. Tan theta inversely proportional to cot theta. It means that if you get sin theta value 2, what will be the answer of cosec theta? 1 by 2. If you get cos theta as 3, what is the value of sec theta? 1 by 3. You have to say reciprocal. Okay. Next, come to exercise first. Exercise 8.1. First question. What is the first question? In triangle ABC, right angle at B. In triangle, you have to draw a triangle. It is a right angle triangle. It should be right angle triangle. Angle at B. What? At B. You can take B here. You can take A, C or C or both and the same. It should be 90 degree. Right angle triangle. And they have given the data AB equals to 24 centimeter. AB equals to 24 centimeter. What is BC? BC is 7 centimeter. BC is 7 centimeter. Next, determine the sin A. First one sin A, cos A. Next, second one sin C, cos C. Okay, solution. They have given the right angle triangle at B and AB value is 24, BC value is 7 centimeter. We have to find AC value. We have to find the AC value, that is the side of the one of the triangle ABC, that is AC. We have to use Pythagoras theorem. What Pythagoras tells us? This is there is one formula: opposite square equals to base square plus height square. Opposite square is AC with respect to 90 degree. You have to, when you comes under Pythagoras, we have to take 90 degree opposite AC square with respect to 90 degree. Base is BC square with respect to 90 degree. Height is AB square. Okay. What is AC? We don't know. Put as it is AC square. What is BC? The value is 7 square. What is AB? AB is 24 square. AC square as it is. What is 7 square? 49. What is 24 square? 576. Add 49 plus 576. You will get 625. AC square equals to under root of 625. AC equals to plus or minus 25. But in triangle, the side AC is one of the side always be in positive, that is 25. We got AC value, that is 25. Got it? Next you have to find first one, sin A. What is sin A? Sin A is opposite by hypotenuse. Sin A is opposite by hypotenuse equals to opposite for which angle? For A angle. A angle opposite is BC. Hypotenuse for which angle? A. What is hypotenuse? AC. AC is hypotenuse. What is BC? BC is 7, AC is 25. 7 by 25. Second one, sin C. Once again, what is sin C? O by H. Opposite for which angle? C angle. C angle opposite 24 or AB. Hypotenuse for which angle? C. C hypotenuse is once again AC. What is AB? AB is 24, AC is 25. We got sin A and sin C. Next. Sin C and cos C. What is sin C? Sin C is O by H. What is cos C? Cos C is C. Cos C is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Opposite for which angle? C angle. C angle opposite. C angle opposite is AB. C angle opposite is AB. Hypotenuse for C angle. For angle C, hypotenuse is once again AC. Equals to AB is 24. AB is 24. AC is, what we get AC? AC is 25. AC is 25. We got sin C. Next cos C. Adjacent for which angle? C angle. Where is C? C is adjacent is BC. BC. Next what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse for which angle? C angle. C angle hypotenuse once again AC. What is BC value? BC value is 7. BC value is 7. AC value is 25. Okay. This is for exercise 8.1 and first question. Now to remember sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta, it takes times to remember sin theta equals to opposite by hypotenuse. We got confused while saying the sin theta's formula, cos theta's formula. There is a one trick, that is OAO HHA. What? OAO HHA. This is for sin, this is for cos, this is for tan. If I ask you what is sin? O by H. If I ask you what is cos? A by H. If I ask you what is tan? O by A. What is the sine reciprocal formula? Cosec. It is cosec. If I ask you cosec, H by O, reverse. If I ask you cos, cos opposite is sec. Cos opposite is sec. Reverse, H by A. If I ask you tan, opposite is cot. Reverse, A by O. Thank you.